Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Walking down a street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
Okay, so this is probably going to be my last video of Saigon. So we're going to start in this alley at nighttime, and it's just kind of going to give you an example of all the cool stuff that's everywhere. And we're going to walk down this one, and then we're going to go right into this busy intersection, and you'll be surprised that we're like in this little patio kind of thing. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Streets of Saigon 2024. Okay, up on the map, there you go. Let's zoom in a little bit more. Up on the map, there you go. Some lyrics, we fed that into AI. There it is right there as well. And let's just get right into it. Walk and talk time. So yeah, we're in this, that's a dead end behind me. So it's completely a dead end. It's really quiet, it's kind of residential, but there's like balconies and like golden house apartments, stuff like that. There's even businesses in here too, like this ice cream one, stuff like that. And once we get out, you're gonna see, surprisingly, you're gonna see this giant roundabout with tons and tons of traffic. So you wouldn't think that this and that would be so close together. Let's get out of the way of that motorcycle. So as soon as we come over here, you start to see it kind of lightening up a little bit. We got some restaurants in here. And then suddenly it's like, oh, okay. This little alley, you wouldn't think it's in such a busy space. Check this out. I think that's a little bar. It's really nice, got some music and nice vibe. Oh, Instincts Bar. I think I heard about this one. Sky Garden up above. So you can start to see stuff already. So yeah, we started in this little alley, right? And it seems like, oh, there's a dog right there. Lucky that dog didn't. So now we're gonna come up. Got some artwork here. You can start to see the traffic more and more. And Saigon just has so much cool stuff. Now we're going to come out to all this traffic up here. And now you have this, so now you wouldn't really think that this would be like right here. So we were in just a little space right in there. Wow, that cool work, and a little Instincts Bar is right there. I think I read about that. And then we have this street. So right here we have that little alley. We have one street here, second street here, third street here, fourth street there, fifth street there, sixth street there. So I think there's like 6 streets all in that area. And then yeah, we got this giant intersection now. So right where that was at, it kind of comes out to this space. all this activity. So what I'm going to do with this one is we're just going to walk down a little bit. And so that was an alley, and let me just kind of, actually there's 2 streets here, so that's going to be 7. So let me see. We'll see how many intersections are in this space right here. But I think it's actually 7. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's Amazon right there, there's 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think there's 7 altogether. No shortage of cool stuff here either. So I think what I'm gonna do is I want to capture this organic building. Look at all these cars. Crazy. Check that building out. So now we're just gonna walk into the random mess of all kinds of cool streets. And this is kind of a major street. That one goes down to Saivon. There's some pretty nice streets that are on that other side too. Earlier I was filming that one. And I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go through this whole area. And actually I want to go down this way. So that little, these things to the left. So right on the other side was that alley that we were on. Cigar shop. So right on the other side of this Honda and these tall buildings was an alley, right? So these buildings here, and there's a lot of that in Saigon, these kind of cool looking alleys like that. And now we're right in the middle of all these hotels. A25 hotel. So anyways, that's another I don't know what to label that one. I might look up the Instinct Spar later and label it accordingly. So yeah, another slice of Saigon, Vietnam. Bar Joy Garden with spa. Looks like activity right there. So it's a Sunday night tonight. Yeah, I guess filming at night actually looks pretty good. Usually I film in the daytime because the camera doesn't film that great at nighttime, but it feels like the city of Saigon has a lot of lights at nighttime that make it actually quite filmable. Quite easy to film. So we're gonna go a little bit further, and then I'm gonna come to an ending here in a moment. It's a Cajun Kua, Louisiana crawfish. So yeah, actually the seafood here is really good. That's interesting because there's a big Vietnamese population in Louisiana, which isn't too surprising because they both have a French connection, Saigon and New Orleans. More activity over there, and another Phuong Kua. I guess Kua means crab, I guess. And we're gonna keep on going down. Family Mart and Circle K is over there. So we're about to end this street, but let me let's kind of see some of the hotels. There's a cool looking hotel right there, that little narrow building. And I guess this street is actually that one right there. So that's the name of our street, Duong Di Tu Trong. And then we went down that little alley, so I might label it as this one, possibly. And we're gonna end our video But I think we have a nice coffee shop coming up, so I might just get to there and then we might end. And I think it's probably going to be soon to be our last Saigon video, I think. So I think it'll be a little bit too dark. They don't like being filmed at all. It's gross. Hello. They're yelling massage, but then you can see they're kind of getting out of the camera. So I think they're maybe embarrassed to be. Check out this one. What a cool building. Okay, so I'm going to be ending this video. The rooftop bar way up there at the top. So anyways, we started around that corner, and now we're just kind of in the mix of everything. Surprised how good the cameras are coming out tonight. And now we're just walking on this kind of random street, and we're gonna end this one. There's a udon shop directly ahead. And probably should have ended it already. But I'm gonna get this red light, green light. There it is right there. Look at all the cars coming out of there, all the motorcycles. And here's what I wanted to capture was these corners. Because a lot of the corner buildings have these nice views like that. So let me just kind of capture that a little bit. Yeah, that looks like super cool. Okay. So I guess what we're gonna do is come to an ending. And I guess this would be a good spot to end it. I can see these buildings as well. I think I'm gonna end it on looking this way because these buildings look amazing. Yeah, that looks incredible. Anyways, so we started an alley kind of behind that building, behind that street. And then we're gonna end it right here.
Saigon, every corner has a story. Every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon.